Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the iPhone model and iOS version so you know which screens and options appear. Make sure the device is charged above 50% and connected to stable Wi-Fi. Once done, check whether the phone is unactivated or shows activation lock. If it's non-PTA in Pakistan, understand regulatory limits but proceed to create an Apple ID locally. You'll need a valid email, a strong password, and a payment method, or choose none during setup to avoid immediate charges. You now open Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone, then create Apple ID. This starts the form where you enter your name, birth date, and the email you want as your Apple ID because Apple uses that for verification. Once you input the email, Apple sends a verification code, retrieve it, and enter it promptly. Then create a strong password and complete security questions. Enable two-factor authentication if offered, because it protects access and simplifies future device activations and restores. Finish by agreeing to terms and adding a payment method or selecting none. Make sure your billing region matches your Apple ID region, because mismatches block purchases. Then sign into App Store and iCloud to enable backups, find My iPhone, and sync contacts so your account is fully active. If the iPhone won't activate or shows errors, restart and update iOS, re-verify the email code, and if needed, sign out and sign back in. These steps resolve most registration or activation hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.